I'm Sumitraj, and oh, I'm so sorry, I'm not Sumitraj. And
Hi friends, this is Archana from Denver, USA. I am not your regular host Sumit Ranjan. This time I'll be presenting you the most incredible place in this whole world, that is Yellowstone National Park. I hope you guys will love this video and admire the beauty of Yellowstone National Park.
There he is. That's right, where's baby? Survival of the fittest.
ये बोलो बेटा अरे बाप रे बड़ी दूर है.
If someone says beautiful things are dangerous, then it's the life beautiful dangerous thing. Sometimes it will mesmerize you, sometimes it's that scary that it will give chill through your spine. We went to Yellowstone National Park in August 2019. It is full of live geysers and rapturing volcanoes, fully covered with colorful bacterial growth. This is Black Basin of Yellowstone. Lots of things like rupturing volcano, mud volcano.
What's going on?
The Black Sand Geyser Basin.
बना रहा हूँ.
Yellowstone National Park is like a long standing mountains covered with long lush green trees. Sometimes while driving, you will find a bear, elk or a bison roaming around.
ये जबरदस्त पॉइंट है.
And other things, the mud volcano.
Yes, water.
Dirty water.
Mud.
Mud, baby. Mud.
You know how hot it has to be to boil the mud? Think about it.
Ah, I know, right? Ibu. Churning mud volcano.
फिर बोलो कि सरवाइव करो. हाँ.
The landscapes, the animals, Old Faithful Geyser, Black Sand Basin, Firehole Geyser, Steamboat Geyser, West Thumb Geyser, Yellowstone Lake, the mud pools in the most dazzling colors, the canyons, the lakes. It was breathtaking.
Oh yeah, you see it there.
A beautiful serene beauty in Yellowstone known as West Thumb. And this is fish cone. The most wow thing is Old Faithful. It gives goosebumps to know that you are standing on the live volcano which is flowing deep under the surface where you are standing.
अभी तो कितना आई? हाँ, बहुत ज़्यादा पानी. अभी तो सब खड़े हो, बहुत ज़्यादा.
अब नहीं आएगा. चलो हो गया. Let's go.
He's trying to fly him
You have 12 more hours in you
tomorrow?
Oh, yeah. Tomorrow, I'll get that.
In which we have covered the Old Faithful,
उमाकांत हेलो बोल दो हेलो हेलो बोल दो से हेलो
The Grand Prismatic Spring is like blast of colors. And
ये वो देखो wow what was that it's so big what's that
Old Faithful Geyser is a wild, scary, and beautiful destination that provides breathtaking views, hot springs, and an abundance of wildlife. Grand Teton National Park are extreme beauty. It took us 2 days to drive to everything in the Grand Tetons. Just breathtaking, scene after scene of the snow-capped mountains and the lakes and the streams in the rock formations.
नहीं, no cushion, no cushion, dance cushion. Dinner. Dinner?
Lots of things like rupturing volcano, mud volcano, and there are many other things. You will love this video, and I hope you guys will come here to see this beautiful thing in the whole world. If you like this video, please kindly share and subscribe to his channel. My friend's name is Sumit Ranjan, and inspire him to make videos like this, many more.
Okay, Ivo. Yeah, this is Jenny Lake.
Hi friends, I am also leaving you with uh, the incredible beautiful pictures that has been actually sent by Archana Sasikant, and I want to thank to Sasikant, his husband and his cute baby, along with two other people who were actually a part of this journey. So I would like to thank these all people because they have given me the opportunity to present this video in front of you. And the two other people I was talking was Umakant Sharma and Madhulika Sharma. So they were also a part of this journey, and you will be able to see their picture as I am living with you. Before I leave, I have a poem for you as well. So let me conclude my poem so that you can actually enjoy this video a little more. And at last, I am here to give the credit to the person who has actually bought this video and made it possible for me to bring this to you. So uh, let us go ahead, and the name of this poem that I wrote today itself is Beauty Needs to Be Explored. Yellowstone in Denver, USA is the place where the sun rises falling its colorful rays and time passes so quickly as the sun sets with breathtaking sky. The incredible beauty with passion, creating each moment an unseen wonder, stepping with real danger, keeps me wanting more and more, giving my credits to the diversity of the nature for sure. The beds of mountains, long trees, irresistible sceneries, and few often seen animals makes me feel as an explorer or the ranger. The driveway to Tenton National Park teaches us to go on and on, playing few heart-touching songs, keeping the spirit alive, and making it all the unforgettable memories through my thoughtful videos and Archana and Sasikant perfect expressive digicams eyes. At last, I would like to say, where there is a beauty, there is danger. But one should face the danger to realize the beauty. With this, Sumit Raj wants to sign off along with Archana Sasikant.
This place is like a lifetime experience. I hope after watching this video, you guys will visit this place. If you like this place, please share, like and subscribe to Sumit Ranjan, which inspire him to make more videos like this.
Just enjoy